So it's my PhD works that I did under the direction of Anne Reboul in France. So let me begin by introducing some notion about language acquisition in autistic children. We can see in this table that regarding first word production, autistic children are late not only when compared to typically developing children, but also when compared to Asperger children. This delay increases at first combination stage. Additionally, there is a delay between first word and first combination, which is considerably longer in autistic children as compared to TD and Asperger children, and indeed is equivalent to that of SLI children, SLI specific language impairment. This data raise some question. Why is language absent in 50% of autistic people? How can we explain the severe delay of acquisition in those autistic people who finally acquire language? How can we explain the less severe delay of acquisition shown by Asperger patients? And how can we explain the fact that the time delay between first word and first combination is identical in autistic and SLI children, and that it is higher than in normal and even in Asperger children? So we propose 3 hypotheses. The first one, that there is a dissociation between linguistic comprehension and production in autistic children. In other words, their performance is more deficient than their competence. The second one, given that the autistic population suffers from a deficit in theory of mind, in verbal autistic children, an SLI is compounded with a deficit in theory of mind, which explains the delay and the difference with the Asperger's population. Finally, autistic children might have a problem limited to fear of mind, as do Asperger's. However, the difference in language acquisition would be due to different degrees of impairment in fear of mind. So, in order to test this assumption, we did a corpus comparison and some experiments. We recorded 9 autistic children during 3 years at intervals of approximately 3 months. We recorded them in 3 types of interaction: at work with their educator or in groups, at lunchtime and at playtime. We transcribed this interaction according to the method of CHILDES, Child Language Exchange System, which is an international project on language acquisition, which put online corpora in various languages of normal and language impaired children. Oh. Sorry. So then we compared our corpora with those of TD and SLI children, which are available on the site of CHILDES. We did 3 experiments. We have adapted Savage Robo experiments in order to evaluate the comprehension capacity of autistic children. We did false belief tasks inspired from Salient test. And we did a detection of joint attention test inspired from Corkum and Moore. So in conclusion, we have a great heterogeneity in our sample. The linguistic level of autistic children remains limited and evolves slowly compared to TD children. We noted a persistence of ungrammaticalities, whereas TD children eliminated it. We didn't note similarities with SLI children. Savage Robo experiments showed that autistic children have a better linguistic comprehension than production. In sociopragmatic view, autistic children did more reaction than initiation. Within initiation, we noted that autistic children produced more imperative clauses than declaratives. We noted that children with more eye contact progress linguistically better. And in the same way, children with a better linguistic increase need less cues to detect the joint attention. So, the perspective of this work, to help for language acquisition in autistic children, we propose a rehabilitation of the gaze following. It seems that this remediation shows positive aspects. So if you need more information, okay. Thanks.